guys, Crystal Starr here from StarrSoaps. I'm just here to give you all an update. So this video is story time and nothing more. So I'm sure you're probably wondering where I've been, what I've been up to, and those of you that have suffered with everything that's been going on over the last couple of years in the world, I'm sure you understand. It's been a trying time, to say the least, for all of us. But for us, actually, through the year 2020, we managed to make a lot of improvements. We fell pregnant unexpectedly with our third beautiful blessing, Fern, and our two eldest children. There's a bigger gap, a very big gap. And we didn't have the room in our house, so we had to sell up and buy a new house and move house and do all that during a very tricky time. And we managed to do it all whilst I was heavily pregnant. And we moved and we got into our new house and settled in, and everything was pretty good, and I don't have a space to create yet. I have this building out the back that I'm hoping I can convert into my soap shed one day. But in the meantime, I'm just sort of oddly creating in the kitchen or downstairs in the garage whenever I can. So there's been not very much making, unfortunately. And on top of all that, there's been a lot of stuff going on. So I don't want to go into too much detail, but it's been very, very, very difficult for myself personally, for everyone in my family and extended family. And we've all just been trying to troop on through it, so to speak. And yeah, those of you that speak to me regularly, like on Facebook and stuff like that, you'll probably know what's going on. But I don't really want to talk about it too publicly, because I don't want to, like, if it was all about me personally, I'd tell you it all, because it's all just about me, and I'm happy, I'm an open book, I'm happy to share it. But it's not just about me, it's about other people that mean a lot to me and that I care about a lot, and it's not up to me to share their story. They need to be able to share their story themselves. So I won't say any more, rather than just to say that it's been a time of high stress and there hasn't been very much time for StarrSoaps at all. So I'm very, very sorry, because I know you guys rely on me to upload every week, and I take that very seriously, and I have been very strict on myself to make sure that I did at least upload something once a week. And to have not uploaded anything with big month gaps in between, I don't feel good about it. I feel bad about it, and I'm going to try really hard to pick up and upload more. So on that note, I've actually been creating on TikTok. I know, strange. My kids had put TikTok on my phone, and I found it when I was feeling quite sad one day, and I found some people on there, and they were going live singing and playing their instruments, and I thought, I want to do that. That's so cool. I love this. It's sort of like online busking. That's the way I look at it anyhow. It's like throw a coin in the case to tip the musician, and I play songs, and I do this on TikTok. So if you'd like to hear me singing, or you would just like to see me creating again and have regular content from me, follow me on TikTok at Miss Crystal Starr, and I'll leave a link in the description. You'll be able to find singing and lots of goofy videos that I've been making. I've just been having a really good time over there on TikTok. Plus, I try to go live at least once a day, if not every couple of days, for an hour or so, singing and playing both original songs and covers. So if you think that's something you'd be interested in, then please come along and check me out on TikTok. I really appreciate it. I've also converted my second Instagram into more of a music Instagram. So you can find me again at Miss Crystal Starr on Instagram. So I have at StarrSoaps still, and that's, you know, for StarrSoaps, but I have at Miss Crystal Starr for the music, and I've been uploading my music there as well, so if you want to check that out. I have a YouTube channel as well, and etc, etc, but TikTok's been the main one that's really brought me back. And so I do not want to neglect my beautiful StarrSoapy family here on YouTube. You guys have been with me for years, and I owe it to you to keep creating for you, so I will. But in the meantime, if you're just hanging out for a Crystal Starr fix, head on over to TikTok and check me out. And in the meantime, I have soapy videos coming your way. Hopefully I'll be making some kawa kawa balms soon. That one's a popular one. And I just want you all to know that I love you. I think of you all the time. I miss creating desperately and want to get back to it. So thank you. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for your patience, for sticking in with me, and for your support. And I hope you're all doing well. Let's pray that this is over soon. Sending our love to everybody in the world suffering in any way. We can do this. We got this. We are strong together. We just have to be kind to one another and share the love. And my way of doing that is definitely through my music. So I do hope you come and have a listen one day. I love you guys. Until next time. Bye.
So you think you had it all.